Watch there, bro. I don't know what you got on that camera, but that lens looking a little itchy to me.
Let me get in the light, man. Fuck they shooting the video for without twin in there, bitch, man. He ain't got me fucked up, man.
So don't worry about it. It's cool.
I'm flying the highs I wanna be. Papa at it high I wanna be. Papa at it, pop me an 80, I'm high as I wanna be. First I was smoking out the zip, now I smoke out the bag and I'm rolling some jungle. I'm rolling around with a little vibe. We getting high while she listen to Bundle. I'm rolling around with a little vibe. While we getting high, she listen to Bundle. I'm a field try, nigga try to get down. Won't come on top, nigga tryna play under me. Yeah. I'm up in the hood comfortably where I wanna be. Been them broke them bad, then I sold them bad, then I broke them down to A to Z. I ain't trippin', but I'm confused why they be hanging on me. Who get the best at first, they wanna roll with me. Shit, I'ma start that bitch up and not play with me. Got away for I pop, better watch what you say to me. She here going crazy like a beat from Zay. She wanna be my suspect, tell her come here, let me beat your face. She saying her take, I ain't take her on date. Bitch, I want some, can't contribute on pay. Put you on ice and I hop on that shit. You ain't let the boy trick you and win for the bait. Fucking rock your F and they're tryna be great. We gon' put a fork in the boy just like a steak. Put a bullet in the face, that bitch gon' be engraved. I'm flying the highs I wanna be. Papa at it high I wanna be. Papa at it, pop me an 80, I'm high as I wanna be. First I was smoking out the zip, now I smoke out the bag and I'm rolling some jungle. I'm rolling around with a little vibe. We getting high while she listen to Bundle. I'm rolling around with a little vibe. While we getting high, she listen to Bundle. I'm a field try, nigga try to get down. Won't come on top, nigga tryna play under me. Yeah. I'm up in the hood comfortably where I wanna be. Been them broke them bad, then I sold them bad, then I broke them down to A to Z.